car hasn't even moved.
Yay!
Oh my lord.
Anonymous tip $2 yippee. Whoa, the rat does love his chainsaw, doesn't he? Let's do a chainsaw ×2. Alexa, play kids cheering sound effect on YouTube. Jack-o'-lantern, 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 jack-o'-lantern,
dream. I don't want to fucking be here anymore. I'm never gonna drink after streams ever again. This is what happened. What fucking happens every time when a fucking dream happens. Whenever I start drinking and these weird dreams happen, then shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Jack-o'-lantern, 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 jack-o'-lantern.
I'm tired, man. I'm so fucking tired. I gotta fix this camera again. I gotta fix this fucking camera. Is it good? Is it good? Ah, you son of a... Oh, that's why I fucking... There was a cover on it. Okay, good. It didn't break. Alright, that's good. It didn't break. Alright, good. Good. Alright. Thank God. I thought I broke the camera for a second. And thank God nothing happened. It's just one of my friends on Instagram. Move the car! Move the car! Give me my pizza already! Oh. Yeah.
Yay!
It's just a tip.
Mr. Suitcase tip $2 yippee. You scared of me, huh? End the stream early or suffer as sending more jack-o'-lantern emotes. I love how you get the chainsaw over me. By the way, this is Mr. Suitcase who sent the kids cheering and the jack-o'-lantern emotes.
Yeah. Yeah, I fucking noticed. I noticed. I'm not fucking stupid. Ugh.